Welcome back to Spiral Strategies Market Update, where we currently have Bitcoin sitting at 64,290. And in last episode, we actually were expecting Bitcoin to dip here. We actually expected a further slide on its way down to 50,000. We were thinking a billiard-ball fractal type theory, and we'll quickly show you what that would have looked like. So if we grab our price projection tool, we're going to flip this here. Markets do like to be symmetrical. Now this is what we were kind of thinking here, to mimic this kind of left shoulder pattern and find our way back at this $50,000 support. That is now not the case. We've actually broken above this trend line now, and now we're currently sitting here. Now another thing to keep note of is, we'll just quickly go onto our daily. If you guys noticed this 50% level here, which is at $56,166, we actually just missed it over here, and now we've broken up, and now we're trying to break out of this this downtrend line. Now this is a bit fishy because we currently did expect at least a 50% retracement back down here to 56,166, and it's just missed that. So this is leaving us a bit suspicious, where we could potentially see us work our way down on this other side and have a late spike down into that $56,000 level, and we'd expect to see that late May, especially how the markets react in May in general, where we do see a sell-off that typically occurs in May. Now, on the other hand, what we could also see is we could just basically go sideways, create a range, and just be stuck here for a bit. We're not going to expect the bull to really kick off, until we really get over this June-July period, where we then basically create better market structure and really test and break above these key resistances at 73,000. So we'll keep you guys updated on that one as well. Now we're going to quickly head back into our 4-hourly chart here, where we did see now, we're going to bring up our volume profile here, where we had this breakout out of this $62,000 level, this key resistance here. Now what we're going to see on the other side is we're most likely going to see ourselves bang up against the top end of this range and test back down here at $61,000. That's what we would be expecting. We would expect to see a little bit of sideways action, maybe coming back to retest that $61,000 level before we really come up and test the $69,000 level again. Now if we do come up and hit 69,000 and really create some better market structure up here, which we're going to be able to see a lot better as the weeks go by, we're going to see probably in about 3 or 4 weeks if we can really test this key level here and break out above these key levels. Now once we do break out above these key levels here, we're going to see Bitcoin come up and really, it might struggle to come up and break this the $78,000, $79,000 level. However, if we get some really bullish news, we could really see it just break up and really just go parabolic up to this $90,000 level. So we're gonna keep you guys posted as we head up into these kind of levels here. We're gonna be really keeping an eye out, because there's this massive gap here, where once we do break out and continue our bull rally into the past halving, we could really potentially see a massive spike at like a literal $10,000 spike up to this $90,000 level, and this could happen in the space of like 1 or 2, 3 days, maybe even a week. We're gonna possibly see a really big spike as we flush out. With this sideways action, as we flush out the weak hands, we're going to really see supplies dwindle, especially as supplies dwindle on the main exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. So keep your eyes out on that one. We'll keep you guys posted as well. Now we're going to quickly head on over into Ethereum as well, and then we'll quickly head on into Solana and Cardano as well. Now Ethereum is actually managing to stay in this channel a lot better than Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is being a bit weird. It did do that little dip, a bit further expected dip. Now with Ethereum, we're seeing a price consolidation in this range from 2,900 to 3,500. Volume profile is filling out quite nicely. We could potentially see another retest of this $3,300 level. Before we really start breaking out again. Volume wise, it is starting to quiet down again. We had the bulls kind of pick up, and however it's gone quiet again. The bears are picking back up again. We may potentially see it slide down to 2,600. However, it's going to look a bit unlikely if we do keep retesting off against that $2,900 level. So Ethereum currently in a range as well. However, it does look a bit more bullish. We're going to quickly go into the MACDs. Now we've actually got those potential divergences on our daily, 12-hour and 4-hour. They've pretty much confirmed. So now we're actually just waiting to see this structure play out, and just wait for this to play out as we head into May. We'll quickly go into the MACD, just quickly back into Bitcoin again, just to show you what we were seeing here on the daily. So again, we had these potential divergences, which are now confirmed as we spiked up back into that past the downtrend line here at 64,000. So this is going to basically be the new stop. However, just quickly going back to that 50% level, we could definitely see these stops get run, and so that's why we're not calling bull yet. So we're still kind of in the middle of nowhere. We're not bearish, we're not bullish, we are just waiting. So May is going to be that kind of period. It's going to lull you. It's going to be slow. So expect to be expect to be a bit bored, but we'll keep you guys posted. Now Solana, after hitting that potential, that 78.6 retrace at 205, it's retraced back down into these key levels here. We've retested 130, so good to see that bounce back up. And now it's going to come back and retest another key resistance here at 162. So again, we'll probably see the altcoins kind of go sideways and just chill for a bit before we really head up. Now the next targets for Solana that we're seeing, I've got a key resistance here at 250 and another here at 322. So yeah, it's on a whole, on a daily actually, we'll just quickly head on into the daily. We'll put on our moving averages just to see how well this trend is going for Solana, and as you guys can see, our red 200 simple moving average here, still very high and very steep. So heading up nicely as we consolidate with the 9 EMA and our 30 SMA as well. We're seeing it kind of push back up here. Where we had this cross here, this bearish cross at 160, at 170, 180. So we're seeing this consolidate now and really start to push back up. So again, these levels would have been perfect to pick up some cheap coins, especially Solana here, where we could definitely see it, break the previous all-time high at 258, and really test 250 as well. So that's what the price looks like for Solana at the moment. A bit chaotic on a MACD as well, but we are seeing a nice push and support level that we've established here at 130. So now we're going into Cardano quickly as well. We'll move the volume profiles as well. Now we had a really nice retest here at 40 cents. So we'll continue to keep an eye out on Cardano. It's still currently in a downtrend. We do have bullish divergences here. We really want to see this 40 cent level hold. So this is a really key level over here for Cardano. This will really cement the fact that we are in a bull. So we've seen this kind of Wyckoff check happen here, where we've got this key level here that's been retested on Cardano. So if the bulls are gonna be in effect, well, we really want to see this level hold and just go sideways for a bit, chill for a bit, and then work our way up to another estimated target where we're seeing a minimum here of 90 cents here for Cardano in the next 3 or 4 months as well. Now quickly just take a look at how we're going on a trend basis, and you can see that 200 moving average really support Cardano here at 40 cents. So we'll need to wait and see if these levels can hold, and we'll keep you guys posted on Cardano as well. But that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter as well, where we have heaps and heaps of content on analysis of altcoins. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.